An ash blonde wig that actually looks good on dark skin. You gotta see this one to believe it. Hey dolls, today's video is sponsored by Ronnie Hair. Right then I just did a little skin check to check out the ash blonde, and as you guys can see, I'm already kind of excited because the color is looking really on point. Their unit does come pre-plucked and the knots do come bleached, and the unit is ready to install. This is HD lace, so you will not have no problem having this lace blending in with your complexion. First rule of order is always to lay down the top of your hair because you want a flat install. A flat install is going to make your install look very clean and sleek. So once I finish laying down my edges and on top, I'm ready to cut the lace. Today I'm using a razor to cut the lace. Sometimes I alternate between a razor and a scissor. It really doesn't matter. You want to cut as much as the lace off and cut as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the lace. As you guys already can see, this lace is blending really nice with my complexion already, and it's not even installed yet. So today I will be installing this unit using what's now become my tried and true, and that's the Wig Dealer lace gel. Now this gel has so many benefits, and one of the main ones why I just always naturally grab to it is how easy it is to apply. You guys see, all you have to do is press to release the product, and it easily glides on with your skin, and the applicator tip helps spread it nice and even without any use of other tools. I do like to use my Even New York lace spray when I want to have double security and wear the unit for a few days. If I'm not planning on wearing it for a few days, I do still like to use it on the sideburns just to make sure that we aren't experiencing any lifting. And then what you have to do is press the lace down and help it to melt in with your skin. And you want to go over it with a blow dryer on cool heat to help with the melt. Now I'm going to straighten the remaining of the perimeter to make sure everything is sleek. Sometimes I like to do this before putting the elastic band on my head, as it just kind of helps it set in once you tie down the elastic band, so that once you take it off, it's already straight and it's already laid. You're gonna see what I mean. And sometimes when you're laying the unit down, you might notice like little pieces of the lace sticking up. All you have to do is just take a little bit of that gel and apply it to the rat tail of the comb and place that gel right under the lace to get it to stay. I do like to reinforce my edges using this Fantasia spray. This does help reduce the amount of cakiness you get after the gel or hairspray has dried. And then I'm just going on top of that and I'm tying the hair down using an old stocking. You really could use anything. You really just need to have some type of pressure on your hair. So elastic band, a stocking, a silk scarf, any of those will do. I decided to add a few curls in this unit, so that's all I'm doing right here. Is just adding a couple of curls just to give the hair a little bit more body. And last, I do like to go in with my concealer to blend that part in space to help limit the line of demarcation from the wig's cap that I'm wearing underneath. Really, because I'm not really a fan of having to do all that work that is required for the ball cap method. So once I do that, it's a really easy fix. And that's really all you're going to need to do to install this unit. Now stay tuned because I do have another look coming for you guys. I'll explain more in a moment. Add a little sheen to the hair, and this is one of two of the final looks that I have for you guys. As you can see, this ash blonde is a true ash blonde. It's not over bleached, it's not overdone, it's actually bleached to perfection, and it's the perfect ash blonde in my opinion. Okay, dolls, so I love this color. Love this color. I love how they toned it. It is perfect. It is perfect for brown skin. This is the best toned color, ash blonde, that I've ever received. And the way I knew that it was a good tone is I put it against my skin with no makeup on, and it looked good, okay? Because one thing for me, I cannot wear a blonde wig without wearing makeup, okay? It looks great with makeup, but without makeup, it's a no-go. But this one actually looked good with makeup. Anyway, the density on this unit is about a 150. I personally would have preferred for it to be a bit thicker, which is one of the reasons why I curled it. I really want to cut it, honestly. I prefer my bobs to be shorter. This is just like a little bit too long for the bob look that I'm going for. I'm probably gonna cut it. I'm still contemplating it. The only reason why I'm really debating cutting it is because I'm gonna have to take this unit off, and I just put it on, so yeah, I don't know, might be another day for that one. In any event, if I do end up cutting it, I will insert it right here. Okay, so I had the bright idea to cut the wig using this method I saw on a YouTube tutorial. Now, I'm gonna spare you guys all the details because I kind of jacked it up in the back. One being, I think that if you're gonna cut the hair using this method, you should part the hair straight down the middle to make it a lot easier. And two, don't cut the hair on a slant. You can see I cut this hair on a slant, so it was doomed from the beginning. But in any event, it still turned out cute in the front, and this is how it looked. So I just cut it to this length for now. Most likely I'm gonna cut it shorter. I just like short hair. But I wanna enjoy it having a little length at the moment, because once you go short, you can't go back long. So that's something to be mindful about. Also, I believe that with it being shorter, it appears to be a lot more fuller, in my opinion. That is more the density that I would like for this length. The other length, I felt like the density was just a little too light for me. But as always, it's all about personal preference and doing what you like. I was going to curl this part right here, but since I curled the hair previously, I thought I'd give you guys an idea of what it looks like in its actual bob state. So guys, as always, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. I'm not really sure if they gave me a coupon code, but if they did, I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen, and that's going to be in the description box as well. Before we get out of here, guys, I'm going to need your help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. And if you know someone who will really slay this unit, go ahead and share the video with them. And be sure and check out this video right here. You might enjoy it as well. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.